Hello everybody. In class 11-12, there are application of some important functions and which makes the sum difficult. Okay, so previously this function like greatest integer function, fractional function, all these things was used in entrance examination like JEE Mains, JEE Advanced, but nowadays they are included in NCERT also. So let's know one very important application of a function, that is the greatest integer function. So this greatest integer function is very important for any entrance examination. Nowadays the questions are coming in board examination also, so we have to know exactly details of the greatest integer function, because in number of sums it has a tremendous application. So let's start with the greatest integer function. So what is the greatest integer function? And in short it is written as G.I.F. In short it is written as G.I.F. Okay, so the notation is box function. This notation is the box function. So somebody it's telling us a gallery function, so it has a lot of names. Okay, so what is the thing? It is the greatest integral values of x. So the notation is this everybody. So the definition is it is the greatest integral values of x but not greater than x. It means y equal to y or fx equal to box x. So x कुछ भी हो, whatever may be x, but box x इसका मतलब y is totally integral number. X can be anything, x can be any number on the obviously real number everybody. On complex number it will not work. So x must be, x belongs to obviously R, x belongs to R, it means x is a real number and y is always integer number. Okay, x may be integer number, may not be integer number, but y must be the integer number. It means box is the integer number. Okay, so it means what everybody? Let's see what is the thing. It means box of 1 equal to 1, box of 3 equal to 3. It means everybody, this is x, just understand very carefully, this is x and the result is coming to be y. So x and y, this is x, the result is coming y. Okay, and the remember the formula is that it is the y is the greatest integral values of x but not greater than x. It means this value, this y cannot be more than x, may be equal to x. Okay, so let's proceed. For example, box of 1.7. So 1.7 is coming 1. Remember. So more importantly, if I tell you this is 0, this is 1, this is 2. Any number which is non-integer lying between two integers, and we have to take the lower value according to the definition. Because y is what is coming out of the box cannot be more than x, may be equal to x whenever it is integer number. So we can say here box of 0 equal to 0, box of minus 11 equal to minus 11. Okay, but whenever question is coming about the non-integer, so it lying between two integers, simply understand one thing, we have to take the lower side, lower integer value, that you have to take. Okay, so the box of 1.7 lying between 1 and 2, we have to take the 1. If we take 2, then what will happen? If we take box of 1.7 equal to 2, then what will happen? It will not satisfy the, everybody say this, suppose box of 1.7 equal to 2, so everyone, it will not satisfy the definition of the box function, because this is not greater than x, it has to be lesser than x, this value has to be lesser than x or equal to x, so we cannot take this. Okay, so let us apply this. Box of 1.7 is 1, box of 8 is 8, box of pi is approximately 3.14. So just see, this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, I am drawing the number line, 3, this is 4, this is infinity and this is minus infinity. So pi is approximately 3.14, so it is here, pi is here. Okay, so it's obviously irrational number, you know. So it lies on the number line, and pi is here. It lying between 3 and 4. We have to take, according to the definition, we have to take the lower side. That is, we have to take the value of 3. Box of minus e equal to approximately this is 2.71. This is approximate. Okay, so this is minus 2.71. If we take the minus value, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So everyone, minus 2.71 is here. Minus 2.71 is here. If it is minus 2.71, so value we have to take the lower side. It means here it is coming, here the value is coming decreasing. It means minus 2 is greater than minus 3. We have to take the lower value, that is minus 3 is the answer. Clear? And lot of things we have to know from here. Box of minus 11 point whatever. So 0, this is suppose minus 10, minus 11, minus 12. Obviously, it is something confusing, but it has a lot of applications in our total mathematics as well as physics. Okay, so we have to know this properly. Minus 11.999. If we see this, here it is minus 11.999. Remember, so number of students को ये mistake हो जाते हैं. So minus यहाँ पे somebody write, but it is not, it is minus 10 point something. Here it is minus 11 point something. So minus 11 point something इसका box होगा minus 12. So यहाँ पे हम लोग minus 12 लिखेंगे. 0.999. What is the value? What is the value of 0.99? Okay, so what will be there? This is 0 and this is, so I am drawing once again. So this is 0, this is minus 1, this is minus 2. So 0.999, here it is 1, here it is 0.999. So 0.999 lying between, oh, here it is 0.99 lying between 0 and 1. So we have to take the lesser value. So its box value is 0. So we have to think, everybody, it is really confusing. Whenever you are getting confused, draw the number line. Number line का मतलब x axis is a real axis. Okay, so minus 0.03. So let's see what is minus 0.03. So this is coming to be minus 0.03 is located in some place here. Okay, so its value is minus 1. Now minus, not minus, this is coming box of root 3. What is box of root 3? Root 3 का मतलब 1.732. 1.7 is enough. Okay, 1.7 तो होगा ऐसा. If we draw here, so this is 1, this is 2, 1.7 is here. So at this 1.7, everybody, at this 1.7 lying between 1 and 2, so we have to take the lower integer side according to the definition, because it is not greater than x. Okay, so we have to take here as 1. Okay, ready? Let's go to the next. So let's solve one previous entrance exam ka sum. Okay, so box of 3/4 plus box of 3/4 plus 1/100 plus box of 3/4 plus 2/100. Just see one thing. What is the value of 3/4? 0.75. Okay, this is lesser than 1. Its box is coming what? 0.75 is the box होगा 0. Okay, so 3/4 plus 1/100, just more than 0.75. 3/4 plus 2/100, just something more than 75, nearly to the 0.8, like that. So box, all boxes are 0. So first of all, we have to see 3/4 plus what equal to 1. We know that 3/4 plus 1/4 equal to 1. It's मतलब 3/4 plus 25/100 equal to 1. तो 25/100 तक ये 1 ही होगा, ये 1 आएगा. इसका पहले माने इसका मतलब 25/100 का बिफोर जो रिजल्ट होगा ये होगा 0. So thinking this in mind, I am writing here box of 3/4 plus box of 3/4 plus 1/100 plus continuation box of 3/4 plus 24/100. It means everybody here From here we are getting the lesser than 1 till here we are getting the lesser than 1. So all boxes are 0, all boxes are 0. Okay, and when we are coming to the 3 by 4 plus 25 by 100, this is coming 1. So just a minute, everybody. So we can say here 3 by 4 plus 25 by 100, 1 is being started from here. So 3 by 4 plus 26 by 100, it is something more than 1 point something, that is 1. So continuation 3 by 4 plus 99 by 100, this is coming lesser than 2. Therefore, starting with 25 to 99, how many ones are there? Just understand, 25 to 30. 25 to 30, how many numbers? Remember, including, not 5, that is 6. Similarly, we can say here 25 to 99, there are 75 such numbers. So answer is coming. So everybody, answer is coming to be 75. I think you have understood the thing. Let's go to the next concept. So we have to find the box x. Remember once again, box x, whatever may be x, but box function, इसका मतलब इसका result होगा y. Box will be always integer number. Okay. Now here it is given, find the value of box x when x belongs to 0 to 4. So if I draw the number line 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So just see one thing, what is the integer number in between? So in between 0 to 1, any number, box function is 0. In between 1 to 1 before 2, any number between 1 to 2, box function is coming 1. Any number between 2 to 3, suppose for example box of 2.1, what is coming? That is 2 होगा, ठीक है ना? So here, and any number between 3 to 4, this is coming 3. So इसका मतलब it has, and before 4, therefore we can say here 0, 1, 2, 3. इसका आंसर होगा ये. Okay. Next question, let's come. That is box of sin x. So remember one thing, box of sin x. Sin x is a curve, but remember, if we draw the graph of the sin x, box of sin x is this curve, but sin x values, integral value is 3, -1, 0 and 1. So this is coming, this values is coming -1, 0, 1. Okay. So all other values are non-integral values, right now. And box of cos x, same thing, box of cos x is -1, 0, 1. So box of 2 sin x, box of sin x, if it is -1, 0 and 1, we can solve this very prompt by drawing the graph. Okay. Box of 2 sin x, इसका मतलब sin का graph double हो जाएगा. Okay, ये it will be like this. Now this is coming what? This is -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. So these are the values. Because whatever may be the sin x, remember one thing, we need the box value. Box is the integer number, that is the most important. Let's go to the next. So everybody, remember one thing, before doing this, I want to tell you something. Suppose box of x equal to 1, what will be there? Box x, understand this properly, it has a formulas, but we have to know mentally first, we have to realize what is exactly going on. After doing this, I'll give you the formulas. Okay, so let's know the proper way of application of box function. Let's see, box x equal to 1. So what to do? That is 0, 1, 2, like that. Let's draw the number line. Now what we'll do? Here box x equal to 1. Think like this. Think like this. if x is 1, if x is 1 here, if x is 1, so box 1 equal to 1. If x is 1.1, if x is 1.1, box of 1.1 is 1, so it is satisfied. If x is 1.9, so box of 1.9 equal to 1, so everybody you have to practice in your home all these things, okay? So if x is, suppose here, if x is 0.8, box of 0.80, so not getting satisfied, okay? If x is 2, if x is 2, so box of 2 is 2, it's not getting satisfied. इसका मतलब ये होगा 1 before 2, this region 1 before 2, इसका मतलब x belongs to 1 before 2, 1 to 2, close double 1. So we have to do like this. Acha, one more thing. If we have box x equal to minus 1, what to do here, everyone? Okay, just have to clear it. Box x equal to minus 1. So once again, let's draw the number line. Now, box x equal to minus 1. So if we take x equal to minus 1, obviously minus 1 equal to minus 1, integer number, okay? If we take any point here, minus 1.1, minus 1.1, so this is coming to be minus 2, so not getting satisfied. So this is not getting satisfied, okay? So let's take any point here, minus 0.3, yes, it is coming minus 1. It's a this x belongs to this region, x belongs to before 0, okay? So x belongs to minus 1 to 0. It means notation is minus 1 to 0. So this is the thing. So we are writing, you can write this way as well as this way, right? So let's solve some sums. Solve the following equations. Box x equal to 2. I think now we can solve the sum. Box x equal to 2. Once again I am explaining. This is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Okay, so जो value तुम्हारा given, the value which will be given to you, तुमको इसका आसपास कुछ value लिखना पड़ेगा, right? So if we write box of 2 equal to 2, if we write box of 2.1 equal to 2, if we write box of 2.99, that is coming also 2. You have to practice in your home like this. If we write box of 3, this is coming to 3, not getting satisfied. What does it mean? X belongs to here, x belongs to 2 before 3. This is the area, 2 before 3. So x greater than equal to 2, less than 3. This is the answer of this question. Okay, now if we are given second box x equal to minus 3, what to do? So once again, that is 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus, which आसपास जितना value होगा we have to write. So box x equal to minus 3. So if we take this here, suppose if we take minus 2 point here, any value if we take here, minus 2 point, suppose minus 2.1 or minus 2.2, the box of minus 2.1 equal to minus 3. If we take any value here, minus 3.1 है तो minus 4 में चला जाएगा, तो x यहाँ पे रहेगा, यहाँ पे रहेंगे minus, here it is minus 3, so minus 3 to minus 2, so x greater than equal to minus 3, less than minus 2. So everybody, it is a matter of practice. You have to practice, you have to understand this. It has formulas. At the end I will give the formula, but first of all you have to realize exactly what is going on. Okay, so we are going to the this portion, that is box of 2x minus 1 equal to 3. What to do here? Box of 2x minus 1 equal to 3. So box of 2x minus 1 equal to 3. Everyone think within the box is x. Suppose Suppose what I want to tell you, क्या बोलना चाहते हैं हम, box x equal to 3, x क्या होते, 0, 3, 4, so x would have been 3 before 4, okay, because box of 3.1 equal to 3, ऐसे करके we have to check once. So x between 3 to 4. So similarly write like this, 2x minus 1 between 3 to 4, 2x greater than equal to 4 to 5, so x 2 to 5 by 2. So this is the x, and the value of x which you are getting, the solve which you are getting is called the domain. Okay, this is the domain. So domain is or x is whatever you want to tell you, lying between 2 to 5 by 2. Let's go to the next. So what will be the graph of the greatest integer function, and it is very important everyone just know and understand. First of all, y equal to box x. We are drawing the graph of y equal to box x, and everybody understand this properly. So when, obviously you have to write the number line, when x between 0 to 1, any value, suppose box 0 equal to 0, box of any value between 0 and 1, box of 0.1 equal to 0, box of 0.99, that is also 0. Who is 0? Everybody, y is 0, graph is 0, graph का मतलब y curve, okay, graph is 0. When x is coming to be 1, so this is coming 1. Therefore we can say here that is 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, ठीक है ना. Therefore we can say here between 0 and 1, this is coming 0. This is means this graph is coming 0. Okay, and at x equal to 1, y equal to 1. If x is 1.1, y is 1. If x is 1.77, y is also coming 1. When x is 2, y is coming 2. Okay, it means between 1 and 2, the value is coming 1, this height is 1, and between 2 to 3, this is coming like this, and between 0 and minus 1, similarly if we see here, 0, minus 1, any value between 0 and minus 1, any value, suppose minus 0.1, what is coming? That is a minus 1, minus 0.2, that is coming minus 1, minus 0.1, minus 1, if box of minus 1, if I want to tell you box of minus 1 equal to minus 1, it means between 0 and minus 1, this is coming minus 1. Okay, similarly minus 1 to minus 2, this. So what is the name of this graph? Okay, we'll tell. What is the name of this graph? Step or stair? Okay, decide and tell me. So let's go to the next. This is a graph of the box function. This is very much it is increasing function, and obviously the nature of the graph is totally is what everybody, nature of the graph is totally increasing function, and domain का मतलब x, domain is totally minus infinity to plus infinity, but the range of the function is का मतलब y, that is the totally integer number. Okay, next, let's go to the next. Let us solve some sum so that it will be totally clear for you. For example, देखो, all the sums which you are solving, all the examples which I am giving you, it has its formula, but if you apply the formula later, first you know exactly what is going on. Okay, you have to know physically first, then further if you cannot understand what to do, then use the formula. So at the end I'll give the formulas on this. So for example, box x less than 1, what to do? Box x less than 1. So if we draw the number line 0, 1, 2, 3. Suppose I put I put here 1 minute. Suppose box x less than 1, so solve what is the value of x? Okay, box x less than 1. Suppose if we put here this value. Suppose if we put box of 0.7, 0.7, what is coming? 0. Satisfying. It is satisfying. If we take x as 1, box 1 less than 1, is it? Is it? Box 1 less than 1? No. Box 1 is not less than 1, box 1 equal to 1. It means everybody x should be lesser than 1. Okay. So all this region. So the solution is x is lesser than 1 and greater than equal to obviously minus infinity. Kuch bhi value. If we take x equal to 0, it is lesser than 1. If we take x equal to minus 5, that is lesser than 1. If we take x equal to minus 10.2, that is lesser than 1. ठीक है ना? Next, if we go to the next part, box x less than equal to 1. So just see one thing. It was box x less than 1. If I apply now box x less than equal to 1, just see here. If we take box x less than equal to 1, if we take x equal to 1, so box of 1 equal to 1, obviously satisfying. If we take x equal to suppose 1.3, so box of 1.3 is less than equal to 1. Is it satisfying, everybody? Obviously it is satisfying. Obviously it is satisfying because 1.3 is 1. If we take 1.99 less than equal to 1, yes, it is less than equal to 1 because box of 1.99 is equal to 1. 1 is less than equal to 1. Obviously 1 is equal to 1. Okay. So what will be the answer of this question? X less than equal to x less than 2. If x is 1.99, that is also getting satisfied. X less than 2. Okay. In this way, the formula will be generated, and first of all, we have to know what is exactly physical meaning of this. Next, let's come to the point. Box of x plus half less than equal to 3. What to do here? First of all, box of x plus half less than equal to 3. Suppose x plus half के जगह तुम x पकड़ लो. Suppose box of x less than equal to 3. What would be x? Suppose box of x less than equal to 3. So same thing which you have done. So x less than 4 because 3.7 is also 3. Okay. So x is less than 4. X का जगह पे x plus half put करो. X plus half less than 4. So x less than 3.5. Therefore here answer will be x less than 3.5. ठीक है ना? Next, box of x plus 1 greater than 3. Okay. It has its formula, everybody. But you have to know this. बार बार हम बोल रहा हूँ. You have to know the physical meaning of this. Just see what here. Here we are writing x plus 1 greater than 3. What to do? Suppose और एक बार ये x plus 1 के जगह पे instead of x plus 1 you just think to be x. So box of x greater than 3. ठीक है? Box of x greater than 3. So let's apply here. Write the number line 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Box of x. Suppose instead of x I am writing, suppose for our understanding purpose I am writing x. So box of x greater than 3. So if we take 3.1, understand one thing, 3.1. If we take x equal to 3.1, so here होगा 3. 3 greater than 3. 3 greater than 3. No. If we take x equal to 3, so 3 greater than 3, not possible. So if we take x is 4, so 4 greater than 3, yes, right. So we can take x starting from, everybody just see one thing, x starting from next integer. Okay, so we are writing here, what is there, what is that, x greater than 3, yes. So we are writing here x plus 1 greater than equal to 4. So x greater than equal to 3. So इसका वैल्यू ये होगा x greater than equal to 3, right now. Next, box x greater than equal to 3. How to solve this sum? Box x greater than equal to 3. Suppose I am using this this ink. Ink should be suppose what, this particle. So box of x, this thing, box of x greater than equal to 3. So क्या होगा ये? Once again 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So if we put x equal to 3, 3 greater than equal to 3, yes, 3 greater than equal to 3. If we take x equal to 3.1, that is also 3. Okay, if we take x equal to 2.9, if we put x equal to 2.9, 2.9 greater than equal to 3, no, 2.9 का box होगा 2 greater than equal to 3, no, so x is starting from 3, therefore here it will be coming x greater than equal to 3. Okay, everybody, x greater than equal to 3, box x greater than equal to 3, x greater than equal to 3. You have understood this? Once again I am telling you, if we take x equal to 3, so 3 greater than equal to 3. If we take x equal to 2.9, that is becoming 2, because it is a lower integer, therefore x is starting from 3 to infinity. And let's go to the next, this sum, let's solve it and our concept will be totally clear. Let's see this, x square minus box x square minus 5 box x plus 6. Let's solve it. So box of x square minus 5 box x plus 6. तो क्या है ये less than equal to 0. Okay. So this is less than equal to 0. Then what to do, everybody? First of all, let box x equal to a. So a square minus 5a plus 6 less than equal to 0. So a minus 2 into a minus 3 less than equal to 0. Therefore we can say a belongs to 2 to 3. Okay. But it is not a, this is box x. So what to do here? So box x greater than equal to 2 less than equal to 3. So in this way we will put the value and we are getting x greater than equal to 2 but less than 4. Okay, must understand and must practice in your home. For example, box x less than equal to 3. If we put, you have to practice in your home like this. If we put x equal to 3.1, this is coming 3. If x is 3.9, this is coming 3. So I am writing here 4. Okay, must practice all these things. And one more sum. What was there? Box x equal to x. Everybody understand one logic behind it. Left hand side, so whatever may be x, it does not matter. Left hand side is fully integer number. Whatever may be x. Equal to right hand side. It's a matlab x should be the integer number. Okay, x belongs to z. Everybody, x belongs to z. Otherwise, there's some another way I can explain you. There is some another way also I can explain you this thing. If we draw the diagram of y equal to box x, just see. Like this. Okay, this is coming 1, 2, 3, and this is coming minus 1, minus 2. This is box x, and we have drawn y equal to box x. Actually, what we want to do? We are doing y equal to box x. Everybody, हम लोग का ये करना चाहिए, ऐसा preparation करना चाहिए. Those who are thinking for IIT. So remember one thing. This is y equal to box x, and y equal to x क्या होगा? Y equal to mx plus c. Y equal to x. Y equal to x is this. It means all the integer number it is getting satisfied. So x belongs to I or x belongs to z, whatever you are saying. Next, x, box x not belongs to x. So x not belongs to integer number. Okay everyone, I am coming to some another problem, so that the thing becomes totally easier for us. So find x where x, this is box x square hoga. So box x square minus 7 box x plus 10. So what is the value of x? See one thing, first of all this is under root. So box x square minus 7 box x plus 10 should be greater than equal to 0. Okay. Now we can write box x minus 5 into box x minus 2 greater than equal to 0. So as we know that x a, see already, a minus, suppose x minus a into x minus b greater than equal to 0. So if we apply the wavy curve theory, so what will get? Greater than equal to 0 का मतलब ये होगा, suppose a minus 5 into a minus 2 greater than equal to 0. ऐसा मतलब suppose this is 2, this is 5, is x less than equal to 2 or greater than equal to 5. Okay, this value, this portion you have to take. इसका मतलब box x less than equal to 2 or box x greater than equal to 5. Once again, you have to practice in your home everyone by putting all things have its formulas, and I'll give you the formulas, in most important formulas regarding the boxes, whatever you have applied. So all can be done by the formulas, but whatever I'm telling you, understand this very physically. Okay, just see one thing, box x less than equal to 2. Once again, so suppose this is 0, this is 2, this is 1. If x is 2.1, if x is here, everyone 2.1, then 2.1, box of 2.1 less than equal to 2. Yes, right. Yes, right. So if x is 2.999, then also equal to 2. So x, box x greater than equal to 2 and box x less than equal to 2. इसका मतलब if x less than 3, okay, and or box x greater than equal to 5. If box x greater than equal to 5, if x equal to 5, then 5 equal to 5. If x equal to 5.9, then also this, okay, greater than equal to 5. 5 greater than equal to 5. Yes. So x greater than 5. So this or this, okay, since it is equal sign given, so let us apply. Otherwise, if it would have been box x greater than 5, we have started from 6. Since equal sign given, that is why I am taking. Okay. For example, if x is 5, then 5 greater than equal to 5. Yes, because one equal sign is here. Clear? So these are the properties of the box function, and these two properties are the most important properties, and all these properties, everybody, we have applied, and you have to learn these properties, because once you can forget in the examination hall, तो तुम तुरंत ये प्रॉपर्टी अप्लाई कर सकते हो, लेकिन whatever I will suggest you, remember this physically. For example, box of x plus k equal to box x plus k. So box of x plus 1, previously both sum थे हम लोग किए थे, so it can be done easily if we write box x plus 1, where k belongs to the integer number. Box of minus x equal to minus box x when x belongs to the integer number. Obviously, box of minus 5 equal to minus box of 5 is on the minus 5. There is no problem here. But box of minus x, this is very important property everyone. Box of minus x equal to minus 1 minus box x when x not belongs to integer number. For example, box of minus 5.7. क्या होगा? क्या होगा box of minus 5.7? 0 minus 5 minus 6. Here answer is coming minus 6. So let us apply to the formula. Okay, so we are getting here minus 1 minus 5.7, इसका मतलब minus 6. So ये तो minus 6 से हो रहा है. So everybody, we have to learn all the formulas, and remember one thing, this particular function, box function, and later I will come with the fractional function and lot of functions which are added in the sum, okay, which are given. Actually, these are the extra added. So when these are added in the sum, so it makes the sum difficult. So we need the proper knowledge. So